Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 20.1 inch IPS touchscreen special for Tesla style head unit, special for Ford F150. 2015 to 2020 years. Okay, let me do unbox review. Here is the box. It's a very big box. This harness and the canvas box. This dash kit. Okay, it's a very big head unit. Okay, you can check this head unit. Android of this 12.1 inch Tesla screen. Okay, let me show the harness it first. Okay, you can check this harness special for head unit. This canvas box, this canvas decoder box, and this ISO connector connect to our back of head unit. Connect back of head unit. Okay. And you can check this factory plug. Okay, and this connector. And this connector, this camera output, this adapter for camera. Okay, and this connector connects to back. This is a factory plug, and this connects to back of head unit. Okay. This is special harness and connector. Yes, you can check this connect to our back of head unit. And this plug. This for power and the speaker. Okay. This plug and play. This GPS antenna. Okay, this is radio antenna. This power 12 voltage to antenna. Okay. This connector connect to back of header unit. And you can check this video input, this AVX left and right input. Okay, this wire do not need to connect. This K1 and K2 for and GND for steering wheel control. K1 and K2 and GND for steering wheel control, and this MP 12 voltage. This IR 12 voltage. Okay. This is USB. You can check this connector. There are two USB. And this audio cable connect to back of header unit. This for subwoofer, and this RCA output left and right, front and rear. Front left and front rear, front and rear left and right. Okay. And this also connects to back of header unit. And this reserve, and this back power 12 voltage. This is also power. This camera input, and video out. This video out 1 and video out 2. Okay. This video input. Okay. Okay, this install part, factory install part. There are 4 screws. Okay, let me show header units. Okay, you can check this front under this kit, dash kit, and this AC power button, this AC button, this built-in microphone, and this reset hole. Okay, let's check the back. You can check there are 3 kits. This connector, okay, this Wi-Fi antenna. This Wi-Fi antenna, this GPS antenna, this USB, this radio antenna USB, this GPS Wi-Fi is the external microphone, and this for connector audio and other connection like USB to USB cable. This fuse and this ISO harness. This for connector. This one you can connect this. Okay, and the ISO connector you can connect this plug. Okay, this is a seat, you can check heat. Okay, let me connect power cable. Okay. Let me connect power. Okay, here do you need startup? Okay, let me find something to fix. Okay. Let me adjust. Okay. You can check this UI interface. Sorry. And this navigation is radio, music, video, Bluetooth, and maps, settings, apps. All apps are here. It's built in easy connection phone, mirror link, and Google Maps built in Google Maps and the Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Okay, let me check the settings. And let me app, GPS, data at the time, language, amplifier. This is built-in DSP amplifier. You can check this amplifier. Okay. Sleeve. Okay. It's balance. You can adjust sound field.